Yeah, family, this is my family right here, you know. My uncle, son, and his wife just came down. Yeah. Yeah, I got my camera on. Yeah, so I can record, y'all. Yeah. Yes, the family, you know, say it's a family of farmers. Yeah, you're dealing with the Crocus Bag Farmer right now. And this is how we have a place set right now. My uncle's son say he wants few plants, so I'm gonna give him some plants right now, you know.
Yeah, man. Man, you don't never fish right here?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, so that's right. That's where I'm going. That's Shalom. The yellow flower.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. That's Shalom. It's yeah, and the other one over there in the white in the white part too, on the right.
Cut down everything.
Yeah, the other day they came here about a month and cut them down. So that's why I know. I tell you, I transplant those. I just transplant the coconut tree.
Why they cut it down like that?
Because that's no fruit tree.
Oh.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. Now I get my coconut trees and my yams and stuff to grow.
So these coconuts.
Yeah, just pick the bucket up.
We're just moving out the heavy thing.
No, I'm talking about her.
Oh.
Step over there and pick the bucket up. Just watch the plants. Just watch the plants. Don't step on the plants. What you looking at?
I don't know, it might be something.
No, just step on the step on the dirt where you can see. Yeah, yeah. Hold it by the handle.
Okay.
See? Yeah. It's my cousin's wife retrieving her own coconut plant.
Yes.
Mad. So when you go up, you could plant that. Plant them at least. Plant all the fruit trees at least 20 to 10 feet away from the home.
Okay.
Cause they're gonna.
We have a big backyard.
That's great. Put like the mango trees, and the ackee tree, put them all the way to the back.
To the back.
Yeah, they're gonna grow big. All right. Yes, this is my neighbor right here. Yeah man. That's good, man. So hey, when you're planting them, you could bust the bottom out and just dig like a hole halfway the bucket and put the whole bucket in. Yeah. Or you could take it out the bucket and do the same thing.
But
yeah.
not just underneath here.
Yeah.
That's how I'm set.
Yeah, just set it down halfway in.
This not.
Yeah, I plan all this stuff. Everything here. Everything. Everything I plant. Those are mango trees, and all the trees I actually ate the fruit.
Really?
Like the mango tree, yeah. The mango tree I ate the fruit and plant the seed. Like right now, I think down here. Come down here and look. See, in this bucket here.
What's in there?
All right, I just ate this mango right here. Look in it. I just ate this mango.
Oh wow.
And this one I ate, that's a mango tree.
They coming up.
Yeah, that's a mango tree. But I got mango trees up there that I done ate already that I could give you. That's right there's mint. You got one of those?
Yeah, they growing in the bucket.
Okay, good.
Good. Yeah, that's a big mint.
Yeah.
Can I break off a leaf?
No, you already got it already.
Got the big one.
Let me smell it.
All right, break the leaf and rub it up.
The same type
break the leaf and rub it up. That's the same limb that you got over there by my Uncle Arthur yesterday.
Yeah.
And I told you it's good for your skin.
Same.
Yeah. All right, so now I want you to get some mango trees, man.
Mango trees.
Yeah, right here. These right here are some palm trees. I have these for a while, but because the ackee tree was there, they weren't growing, you know, so now they're gonna grow, so I'm gonna have to try to mess with them. Now, palm trees, right here, you could get those over there. The palm trees, right. Watch your step. Just don't step on none of the plant, because all the plant means something.
That's right. It
Yeah.
means something.
The palm tree. No, you could. No, that's a pine right there. No. Right there. You see the palm trees in the white bucket? No, that's a coconut tree, the next one.
Which one?
Yeah. Those are palm trees.
Oh, those are palm trees?
Yeah. You see the palm trees? It's just that the lizards, so what you want to do is now, you want to separate those. Yeah. All of those are palm trees. And I actually picked the seeds up. Those are palm trees. That was an ackee, yeah. So you could right there, you could separate. All those plants are like, except for the little weed in there, all those plants you could separate them, and you want to plant those probably about 10 feet apart. You could put the palm trees on the line.
And these are the palms.
That's palm right there. So you got, right now, You got 1, 2, 3, 4 palm trees in there.
Yeah.
And the ackee tree. 2 ackee tree. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So
bring them back.
yeah, so you could separate those and separate them because you don't want all the palm trees coming up.
This one, all
right, now
I'm coming back for.
All right, you see it?
Mango.
Yeah, man, yeah,
Small
man.
mint like we got at the house. The small mint.
Yeah. Yeah, man, me have pots of that too, man.
Gotta put out the shower.
Yeah, man, set it how you want, man. Yeah, you see it? Family, it's a farming team, you know? Yeah, it's a farming team. Just transplanting some things to another area of the state. And that's how we do it. It's a Crocus Bag Farmer. Remember the subscribe. A family thing, you know. Big up yourself. Uncle Noel, Uncle Patrick, Uncle Busha, Daddy. Yeah, big up on yourself. You know, say I love. It's a transplant to another location. So these fruit trees, hopefully, one day, I'm thinking one of my child or my great-grandchild will pass up there and see it and smile and they say, yo, you know what, your daddy gave me this fruit tree. And that's how we plan. I plan 5, 10, and 20 years ahead. So big up yourself, my people. A life, we say, and we burn fire upon a dead. That we never die. Yeah, see it there? Fruit trees we plant and we're passing along. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, big up yourself. Family, one love. No, what about the other ones at the back right there? That one's easy to get out. Just rock it a couple of times, bro. Yeah, act like you know it. So when you go, you gotta just make sure you plant them because you just tore the roots up. But that's easy. That's an East Indian or a mango Francais or something. But there are mangoes that you see how I show you the seed down there. That's what I did with that one, and it grew. And look at those 2 at the backs. Those are the 2 that I thought you would have want, but it's gonna be work.
Well, I'm gonna see that too.
No, you see how small that it is? And look at those 2 back there. Yeah, that's gonna be work, bro. So I think you need to. Yeah, they're ready to bear.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They ready to bear.
Yeah.
And I got the space to take them.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if you could move it. Rock it and see.
Oh yeah.
You can move it?
Yeah.
I got a machete and a thing.
No, I ain't gonna cut the roots.
You gotta chop off piece so cause it went through the bucket and went down. So yeah, that one is deep. You gotta get piece of the roots off. Or break it off because it went through. You see that how the back bucket is broken?
Yeah.
Let me get the machete and chop it.
Alright.
That's the best thing.
That is a nice tree.
Yeah, I'm glad too, man. Hold on, let me get the machete.
Alright.
Oh, wow. Is that cane right now?
Yeah. Well, y'all should got cane up there.
Yeah, his dad has a lot of it.
Yeah, I want some of y'all should have loaded y'all truck up with cane and brought that shit. I want a cane juicing machine in Jamaica too. That's what I've been telling Uncle. You want the cane juicing machine?
You got a shovel?
Yeah, I got right here. Right here in the bucket. I wanted to kind of clear up right there, and I wanted to go down, you know what I'm saying, to Ocala, but shit, I could come down your place and say, yo, I feel good.
It's on the pole.
Yeah, I said, yo, these are mango tree called by a couple of years, and they go.
Yeah, there you go. I can go on this side to the
You
groom.
don't need to do that, man. I'll chop this shit up because it got. Alright, yeah, leave it back this way. Let me just cut the other one out. Bucket, that's great. Yeah. So what you do is you dig all the hole as deep as the bucket.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it in the whole fucking bucket.
Just dig out the hole as deep as the bucket. See that main root? Alright. That's perfect, man. You make me feel good because I planned it years ago and I didn't want the fruit trees to go to waste.
And it's the
and for me to give it, those are palm trees.
yeah.
So you could take them off and put them different.
Plant this tree like 5 years old.
I know. It's about that. It's about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to give all of them. I ate them and anyway I go out plant fruits.
Yeah.
It's not for me. It's for whoever come here later. If you look
The
around,
fruit of life.
in America, there's not a lot of fruit trees. But when you go and see it, it's usually an island person video.
Yeah.
So in this community, this is not a hill, this is called Jamaica Hill.
Really?
Yeah, Jamaica Hill. So that's why I'm a look and sound like I'm sound. I've been here a long time. You can go anywhere and you fit in right now.
Yeah.
Just the way you look. Nobody gonna go far, you know not around.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man, you don't bless me, man, because you make me see that, yo, you know, planning ahead. And now what? I don't pass it on to myself. That's great, man.
Yeah, for real.
That's great. When you go this one, just dig the hole about this deep and chop off the bucket if you want.
I'm gonna send you some pictures.
That's great. I'm gonna come eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna eat it. You want more ackee trees?
Yeah.
Pick anyone you want, man. Yeah, man.
You take
See,
this side.
These are ackee trees, man. Any one of them, man. Yeah, man. You have to put it in and lay it down. Or you could clip the limbs off, you know. You want me to chop the limbs off? No, but chopping the limbs off will help.
I know I'm gonna do it.
You can chop the limbs off at the
I
top.
don't want to change nothing.
Yeah, man.
I don't want to change.
You want an instant landscaping when you go up, man. Instant landscaping.
Instant landscape.
Yeah.
Done. There we go.
That tree's so big.
That's perfect, man. In a few years, hopefully you eat some fruit that come up there.
Yeah.
And put them as far to the back as possible away from the house, though.
Yeah.
Because they're going to grow big.
Yeah.
You see like that tree at my backyard?
Yeah,
That's how mango tree and ackee tree grow. So get them at least 10 feet apart.
Yeah.
Or if you can, 20 feet apart. In between them, you can put a coconut tree. Because coconut tree just grows skinny.
Yeah.
And then go up high. So if you could put a mango tree and an ackee tree 20 feet apart, just put them all the way to the back of your line.
Because I'm going to trouble you for one more to ackee tree.
Yeah, man, I got many, man. I've been saving them, man, and it's a joy. Because it's a good eating ackee tree, bro. I'm telling you, when you eventually...
I gotta figure out how to cook it.
No, don't worry about it. Within 5 years, you're going to have ackee tree, ackee, mango, and coconut. Within 5 years. All of them going to grow. It's a joy, family, yes. It's a joy. Yeah, man, put them in, man. And you have the right vehicle, my lord. You can give them AC.
Yeah.
You gotta get that one in the first door.
No, I'm going to get the check. This one going to lay down.
Yeah?
Rest of them, go check the shower. See the shower. Go check the shower. See how it in there.
You don't want to show me in pad, you know? Yo.
Check the shower.
Yo.
See it?
Yo, see it there?
Perfect. With the fan.
Wow. And the man have all a fan in here to do that's good. Oh, you mean? That perfect, man. See it there?
Perfect.
Yeah. Soldier's crib. Soldier's pad.
Yeah.
Yeah. A real Rasta living in a foreign, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, so you lay it down in the lane here, so.
Yeah.
So basically you put it in last.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's perfect, man. Yo, it's a joy, Jano. You can put it in last, man. You don't have to put it in now.
Yeah.
Leave it lay down, man. Yeah, put it in last.
More ackee and mango.
Yeah, man. Me have a next big mango tree too, you know. See it there?
Set.
Alright, family.
Set, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how family work, you know? Yeah. Yeah, teamwork is the dream work. See it there?
One more.
See it there?
Ackee
Yeah,
tree.
see me have a next big mango tree there, you know, brother.
Yeah.
You want to rock a big mango tree and see what I go on? You see it? Yeah. And what about the coconut tree in a bucket? Rock them and see if them, because we can chop out around it. Me have shovel and thing. No, hold the bucket and rock the bucket and see. That's a mango tree again. Yeah. See? Yeah. That's gonna bear soon. Once you put it in the ground within a year, that bear. Alright, we can move it. Try the coconut tree. But I'm gonna come and chop it. If you can bend it down, I'll come and chop it. The coconut tree in there though. Yeah, that can move, yeah. That can move, bruh. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh man, yo, cause you're strong. You're strong. See it there? Remember, ladies and gentlemen, plan for the future. Sometimes when you plan, you don't reap the benefits. But guess what? This is my uncle's son. This is my first cousin right here. This is my brother. I closest thing to blood other than brother. Yeah, guarantee. Yeah.
Guarantee.
All right.
Guarantee.
That's why I'm say I guarantee. A gangster guarantee that. Yeah, guarantee. Rasta man talk that still, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Uncle Noel, Uncle Patrick, Daddy, big up on yourself. Yeah, you tune into the Crocus Bag Farmer YouTube. See it there? Wow, that one there. Probably you want to put that one in after you put those, and you don't want no more coconut ackee tree.
This is the last one.
You know what? That's a coconut tree though. See, ackee tree.
That's what I'm saying. See, I can take more ackee tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So pick up, put the smaller plants in first, man.
Smaller plants.
Yeah. See that black bucket right there. Take the taller plants. Take the taller plants. The taller plants. Over. The taller one. Yeah. Rock it and see if you can move it. Because they're going through, when you see them getting big, they're finding their own dirt. So those you wanna, you know, dig out a hole and squeeze them out and take them out the pan. That's multiple plants. So if you want to hold it, I'm telling you, bro.
Multiple ackee.
Yeah, man. I don't know if you have enough space. Try to put the ackee them at least 20 feet apart. You see, if you do that, brother, within 5 years, we're rich. The Crocus Bag Farmer, I can come up to your property. If you have, I don't know your property. Just listen to me. Listen to me. The ackee and the mango, put them 20 feet apart. In between them, put the coconut tree. Because the ackee gonna come big. And you see, if you have 5 ackee tree, you have a ackee farm. We can package thing, and you look just like me. You know my logo?
What that?
The Crocus Bag Farmer logo.
What's the logo?
Look up on YouTube, Crocus Bag Farmer. The Crocus Bag Farmer.
The logo.
It looks just like you. I'm serious.
How you spell Crocus?
CROUCSBAG Farmer. FARMER. Yeah, man, that's very good, man. Nothing else, thank you. You see it?
Yes.
Let me see.
This logo right here.
He don't look like him?
Oh, where? Right there.
Yeah, he don't look like him. Look how you look right now. Show him.
Yeah.
You're my family, so you gotta look like me. That's the Crocus Bag Farmer. So what I'm saying is, I'm trying to create a world international brand that says organics, that says Rasta, natural, herbal, real is real, and it's already trademarked under the USPTO. You could Google it, the Crocus Bag Farmer trademark, and it come up. I did it from 2017. So that's the goal that I was talking about. I'm building a factory in Jamaica, and I want to be able to send organic products to people over the world, because real is real, and your food should be your medicine. And if you don't eat natural food, then you're going to be eating medicine for your food when you get older. So I them the help them want as a family. You see, if you're not program on them levels there as a Rastaman, as a family, then in a real. Because when I tell you, say 4 or 5 years ago, I plant them thing here, and you come get them, and I'm so joyful and happy. It's just right now. Yeah, man, so just take an instruction. Try to put the ackee them as wide as possible, and then just put the coconut in between. Yes, yes. Bless up. Take one at a time.
What?
One at a time, man. And help him out, brother. Help him out, Empress. Help him out, the cousin. Help him. In anything, man. Yeah, man. Enough time I go grocery with my children them. And I buy all 5, 6 bags of grocery and I go cook for them. And they watch me bring all the grocery in. And then go act cute. Like they did something all neat by walking in but with their empty hand. So when you look and see somebody who need help, and them not ask you for help, and you recognize and help, then you're a real good helper. And them say the most I, you know, make the woman for help the man, because the man always try to do more than him can do. Right. What happened to the gas?
That's what
What happened to the gas cover? See the gas cover missing?
We gotta go get one.
Let's go out discount auto parts, man.
That's what I keep telling him.
This one right up there. Come on, this one right up there. All right, what else? Hold on. You don't want no more ackee?
No more ackee. Good.
Good pani ackee?
Good.
All right, good. Mango, you're good.
Coconut.
All right, and mint, you're good. All right, that's all me have. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Right now you have a fruit orchard.
Fruit yard.
Yeah, man, you have a fruit orchard, man. Just put them as far back on the line, probably 2-3 feet off your line at the backyard, and then spread them as far apart as possible.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I'm glad, man, you have all the vehicle to carry them.
Yeah.
Now, hold up, we need to go get the next mango tree. Right?
We can't hold no more.
Yeah, man, you can lay it on top of that.
Can't hold no more.
You gonna lay that in the middle, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I can lay it next to it, man. Me chop it out for you, man. Know yourself. Come in and go. Just lay that down.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Lay that down. Yeah. You want to go hold first. I really rasta man, these people. Yeah. See there. You can lay the next one. Just lay it down on the ground, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Because if the mango tree stay there, cause it'll just get bigger and waste. You have a yard.
Yeah.
You have a home. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Right. Man, you got it look nice out here. Growed up.
And you know, I'm telling you, the other day.
Got it?
Huh?
Got it?
Get that lap.
Which one? That?
Yeah, man, you go have a forest in your yard. It's a fruit forest, you know. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, ladies and gentlemen. Remember to hit the subscribe button. I'm just passing on some fruit trees to my family. Yeah. You can pull it down and just relieve it and chop it. Come down close to the bottom. Yeah. So you can just make sure you just chop out the bottom, dig a hole, the depth of the bucket right here. So this will it. This is a mango tree. Yeah, and this is like an East Indian tree. These are like, I don't know, regular mango them here.
Yeah.
They want East Indian, and then you have palm trees again. These are just weeds. It's not just me. So it's up to you if you can pull them out and plant them and water them. Beautify your yard.
Yep.
Yeah, man, bless up yourself. Don't stress up yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, hit that subscribe button. I pay your work, we are the paper. Yeah. Season, I love, we are burning evil. The Crocus Bag Farmer, yeah.
Cuz.
Yes, sir.
Blessing with you.
Yeah, man, bring it in, man. I'm going to lay it down, man.
Blessing with you.
Yeah, man, bring it in. You know, say kind of, probably more than you did expect.
Expensive trees.
Yeah, these are real mango trees. These are like mango Francie. These are East Indian, Julie trees. And some good mango tree you get, brother. Trust me. I eat them and plant them myself. Yeah. Mad. Yeah, man. In a few years, brother, when you plant up that all next week, your place look different.
Great.
You understand? Look how big the tree are. In a 2 years, you have fruits coming off of them, man. Just chop out the bottom. Make sure you chop out the bottom for me. Because you're going to get root rot. Alright, go down with your hand, man. Alright. Yo, me feel all happy for them. Them all get all ear.
Cool.
Unbelievable. That's the man vibes, you know. Yeah, man, I'm more life, brother. Yeah, no. Family thing, see it there?
Set. Shirt, no trouble. No worries with the shirt.
Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, brother. You get your dues. The shirt pay respect, see it there? My family, you know. Yaganti.
The fruit bus.
Yeah, man. The fruit bus people.
The fruit bus.
Yeah, remember it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, you know? And we're there, you know? Transplanting some fruit from a different county to another county. Bless up yourself, family. Full joy, the fruits, them. I'm going to eat some still, you know? Yes, I. Alright, families and friends. You know, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, here again. And, you know, I just, you know, gave away a couple of trees, a couple of fruit trees to my uncle's son. Big up yourself, General. You know, I gave him about 4 mango trees, about 4 ackee trees, and 3 coconut trees, some mint, and probably about 6 or 7 palm trees that I have here planted. Now, the place was kind of, you know, congested. You know, I'm in a secluded area right here between 2 buildings, and unfortunately it was a little bit congested, so I wanted to put in some quick crops like some mints and some, you know, callaloo and some, you know, okras and tomatoes and peppers. So I decided to try to get rid of these fruit trees. And you know, my cousin's son had a huge backyard up there in North Florida, so I decided to go ahead and give it to him to transplant. When I get up there and they're fruiting, I will give you an update and what they look like. But I just want to give you an update on what the side yard right here look like. It is looking vacant right now. Beautiful, yes. Now I could transplant certain plants that I want to plant. Give thanks for planning, and that's what I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen. Today's farmers are the saviors of today. You're gonna see how a retrofit, how I actually reorganize, how I actually set up this side yard in a few. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in to the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yes, I'm here at my side yard, ladies and gentlemen. It's real. Real is real. One love.